Jake with Jake's Top Notch Tree Service and Arborist. Right over here, this tree right here, you can see all the scaling, how the bark's been peeled off, all the woodpecker holes are in it, all the way down. They all have this scaled bark. It starts at the top and works its way down normally. So this is all the way down at the base. It's, if you look behind you in front of this red truck.
So it's all the trees going all the way down to the end?
Yep, every tree has it. Number 68, this one here, visibly has rot up in the top. There's mushrooms growing up there. It also has emerald ash borer. You can see it in the bottom of this branch right here. All the bark's been peeled off by the woodpecker. If you look up, all the bark's getting peeled off all the way on the undersides of all these branches. On both, the next one over at number 70, I think it is, or 72 here. Every tree down this road has bark peeling on it. Holes in it.
We're looking here at a tree that's completely dead with tons of woodpecker holes.
And bark scaled up above, scaled down here. Bark peels right off.
So that means it's dead?
Well, what happens is the bugs get in here, and then it eats at the cambium layer, which stops the flow of nutrients. So you can see where the bugs go. In here, you can see all the little trails. It's all peeled.
Oh, yeah.
So they get into there and they eat away. That's why the woodpeckers are going after them. So they get in, eat that cambium layer, and then the tree dies.
This tree has woodpecker holes all over it on the front side, and there's literally hundreds on the back side, all the way up the side of the tree. These are all woodpecker holes that make this bark fall off and the tree die.